Welcome to another brand new video. If you are using TikTok in China or anywhere else in the world where TikTok is not working, then this video is for you. Before, we used to unplug our SIM card, and that was another method by using a VPN and unplugging SIM card. But this method is quite different. In this method, I'll be teaching you how you can use TikTok international version by using a VPN and without unplugging your SIM card from iPhone or Android phone. So let's go to the phone screen and see how we can do that. Consider subscribing to this channel because I'll be bringing a lot of different stuff in the future as well. First of all, make it sure that you are connected to a VPN. In my case, I'm using Privado, and this VPN is called ShadowRocket. So I have paid for both of these VPN. If you want to get the discount, then check the description of this video. Link will be in the description. Once you are connected to any server, just go to your Safari browser and make sure that you are on the Safari browser, not on the Chrome browser. On your Safari browser, go to this website. And once you go to this website, before going to this website, make sure that you don't have any version of TikTok installed on your phone. Once you're here, you check around. They will be updating every new version of TikTok here. Then click on any of these one. In my case, this is for iPhone. I'm going to go for this one and select this option in front of cancel. It will open hkw.us and now open and click on install. Installation procedure has been started. All right, so the TikTok has been installed. Now if we open, it says untrusted enterprises developer, right? Don't worry, no problem. Just go to your setting, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and here is a profile AN Bank. Here is TikTok. Now click on this one and trust this one. Trust. All right, now go back and open TikTok. Boom, here you go. Hello, and quit this one. Now, here it will ask you for sign up. I already have TikTok account. I'm going to sign in, verify these shapes. I forgot this passcode, so let's say this was the code 659758. 9758. All right, I'm going to set a new passcode. All right, here we go. This is now working. Cool, right? You don't need to unplug anything. This is quite okay. Now if you go to TikTok, go to my profile, all of my videos I posted in the past are here. Following section, everything is there. I'm gonna mute the volume. I can easily access all of those videos. I can upload a video. All right. Hello, hello. Look, I'm here. I can just capture a video. So this is how you can easily access TikTok in China or anywhere. So if you really need that VPN that works for everything, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment as well. So check it out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.